How to activate US Bank credit card. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a very simple step-by-step guide that we can follow up and we should be able to do it. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, we can start by going to usbank.com and logging into our online banking. If we're not logged in, we can use our credentials such as username and password in order to log in into our account. After that, we can basically head over to the credit card section and find the option to activate or card services and follow the prompts to confirm it up. If not that, we have a direct link available from US Bank, which is online banking usbank.com/card activation, and that should lead us to this site right here. Now we just need to confirm up these details. So for that, provide in your card number, provide it up right below it, the last 4 digits of social security number, and then your security code. Once it is done, you can click on this option called activate and you can follow out the prompts to confirm it up. You need to follow the instructions provided, and that way you should be able to activate your card. Apart from that, what we can do is, if nothing else works, we can just go over and try calling the US Bank number on the sticker on your card, and you can follow the automated steps such as entering up a card number, last 4 digits of SSNR, and then our card will get activated automatically. And some cards activate automatically when you make your first transaction or check balance at an ATM if allowed. And what you need is your credit card, your personal info for verification, and your phone or email link to your account. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. For now, you can head over and follow out this step. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.